guys, it's your girl Miss Carisha from travelwithcarisha.com. I am here today with an unboxing of my Rachel Zoe Box of Style Beauty Box. So if you guys are not familiar, I get about 3 or 4 different boxes. BoxyCharm, Pop Sugar, Rachel Zoe, and FabFitFun. So I'm down to 4 now because a lot of companies stopped doing them. But they're basically subscription boxes and they send you goodies either every month or quarterly. Rachel Zoe Box of Style happens to be quarterly and I absolutely am in love with it. So I literally just got this in the mail. All I did was take it out of the box it came in and I haven't looked at anything. So let's get right to it. So when you open it up, it says, "Hello Gorgeous Box of Style." Super cute, right? Then they have the goodies like so. And they always have a Box of Style pamphlet. This is for spring 2018. I meant to tell you that. And they just talk about the box. They have a note from the editor-in-chief, which is Rachel Zoe. See that? And then it just goes through each product, kind of describes it, and tells the different inspirations. So, like I said, I haven't went through the box, so I am just going to dig in and start with the first product. So they have the green paper, and then, so the first item, I'm so excited. I love goodies. It's like having a special treat for yourself every month. So this is Lily Clasp. Oh, and it's such a cute, oh, it's a necklace. You guys see that? Isn't that cute? So it's a gold necklace. And normally you can customize. They'll ask you if you want silver or gold. I don't think I had a preference this month because honestly, I don't really care. Oh, that is super cute. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Just a little necklace. Oh, I love that. So, put that back in there. Okay. On to the next. See, it's just fun. You open up and have these little gifts, and they're so cute. And so this is Jen Atkin, Chloe and Isabel. Oh, cute. And it looks like it's another little, is this a necklace? This is super cute. Oh. It looks like, yeah, it looks like it's a little, maybe a neck can be used as a necklace and like a hairpiece. Pretty, very, very pretty. Isn't that cute? Okay, then on to the next item. This is coconut oil lip gloss. You saw a cute little lip gloss, which I love anything for the lips, so lip glossy. Let's see if we can get any type of, oh cute, so just a little clear gloss. It has a little smell to it. It's that coconut, so I guess it has a little smell to it. It smells super good. It smells good. It smells good. On to the next. We have this big one right here. So exciting. Who doesn't love goodies every month? Oh, same brand. Coconut Rose Toner Fresh and Balanced. The package. And let's see. Oh, it smells good. So just a coconut rose toner, silicone free, no GMO, paraben free, cruelty free, sulfate free. That's important because we love our healthy products, right? Super cute. And that'll be good for like summertime when I go on vacation. I love stuff like this. So spritz on fresh, clean face, which my face isn't clean. I've been out all day, but that's okay. Cool, 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 cool. You can, oh, it says you can also use it to set makeup. So that's good to know. Cool. Okay. See how exciting this is? Like, you don't know what the products are unless you look. There are websites who will, you know, they get it first, or Rachel Zoe will tell you, you know, what's in the box. But a lot of times I try not to look so that I'm actually surprised. Oh, we have Bonnie and Clyde. Looks like it's some Sunny. So they have this cool little case for the sunglasses. Cool. Oh, yes. Oh. Some cute little pink sunnies. What girl doesn't love a cute pair of sunglasses? Look at those. Cute, right? So all last year when I traveled, I do like luxury sunglasses. So I have Chanel, Gucci, you name it, I have it. But when I traveled, I wanted to kind of use something, one of my cheaper pair, because if I lost them, I've already lost a pair of Chanel sunglasses and it is devastating. So I traveled with a black pair that I got in the Rachel Zoe box. So these are cute and I will most definitely travel with those. Super cute. Look at those. I like them. Okay. So these will be going with me to Dominican Republic. Let's see what else. We got a big one right here. Rachel Zoe Box of Style is $99 quarterly. So it's not bad and the items are really nice. This is next, guys. Super cool. This. Oh, cool. Oh, it's like a. I'll show you guys. Cover up for the beach. So, can you see it? This is really cute. So it just has. I don't know if I can try it on. Ooh, see if it fits, cause, ooh, I'm like a. Okay, this has turned into a mess. Okay, I don't know if, oh, guys, we may have a, okay, there we go. I didn't think I could fit it for a minute. It is kind of tight. I don't think it's supposed to be that tight, but I do have a shirt on under this, so it's a cute little cover up. I have a blouse on under this because I just came from an event, so, and I need to lose a little bit of weight, so I think that is everything in the box. And then if you didn't know like what, you know, each item was for, you can go through and kind of look, and it talks about it and tells you. Okay, so that's what it is. It is a necklace, or you can use it to style your tresses, the one little piece. So Rachel Zoe Box of Style comes out quarterly, 4 times a year, $99. And I will leave a link for you guys to go straight to the website and subscribe. Rachel Zoe Box of Style is one of my favorite boxes, and I think you'll love it. Anyway, have a good weekend. Bye.